Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back to this back. Me, Astu. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers, new subscribers, old subscribers. I'm doing this real quick because I gotta go, and this car gotta go. As you can see, I have this 2024 Escape. Alright, I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil life in this vehicle. We're just gonna play with this guy right here. And you're gonna check that screen, not this one, this one. Alright, so we're gonna scroll down here. With this one, we're gonna scroll down until you see that the info icon. Okay, then we're gonna press menu. It's gonna open right there, and you just scroll down until you see oil life. Then press OK. You see that oil life, the percentage. It's gonna ask you reset oil life. Then just press OK and it's gonna reset it. Okay. Hold OK to reset the oil life. So press it and hold it. Oil life reset successful. Let it go. And that's it. That's how you reset the oil life in this 2024 Escape. Alright, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I encourage all the females to become a mechanic. Alright, since there's not too many out here, you know what I'm saying? So females, catch up. Alright. Other than that, I appreciate the love. I appreciate the support. I appreciate the help. Keep that up. Keep it up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Before I go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit it, bang it hard. The subscribe button. Do the same with the like button. And maybe you know someone that has the 2024 Escape and they wanna reset the oil life. Well, share this video, alright? They're gonna appreciate it. And the feedback, the most important thing, I'm saying, besides of the subscription to my channel, the feedback, put in the comment box, I'm saying, I'm gonna appreciate it. Anything you need to say, anything you need to say related to this vehicle, just put it in the comment box. I'm saying, any idea, anything, I'm saying, put it in the comment box for me. That's the feedback, and I catch you up later. I'm not gonna hold you up no more. Always wear your safety goggles and wear gloves, alright? And that's it. Holla at your boy, Astu Burum. Meow.